welcome to another most important part of Photoshop 2025, adjustment. What is adjustment and how to use adjustment in Photoshop? Let's start. Take a look, guys. Adjustment layer, I mean this adjustment. There's a lot of commands and the most important part of photo editing. And we have the first adjustment here, the next adjustment in layer menu, and another adjustment. Let's go to window, turn on the layer. There is. We have three different adjustments in location, but the workflow is same. So what is the difference between this adjustment, and this layer menu adjustment? Take a look, guys. The layer menu adjustment with the layer window tab adjustment is same, but this one is a little bit different. The difference is if you need to change or if you need to make white teeth for this image, for this character, take a look. First, you must change the color mode to RGB, and next, let's select Hold Alt zooming, select teeth and right click, make fader 5 pixel, zoom out, and now go to adjustment, select Hue Saturation and select the eyedropper of adjustment, select just the color and make the saturation to white and bright, and OK. Take a look, and now you can't control the Hue saturation again. You can control, you must apply for the second turn Hue saturation to control this part of the teeth. Okay, guys, let's apply another one. So if you need to work like a professional, don't use adjustment from the image menu. Just go to directly here or there. The both are same. First, select the teeth and right click, make fader 5 pixel, and go to layer tab window, click on adjustment and select Hue saturation. And now you have adjustment effect with layer mask. So click here, double click, there you have in properties, turn on this option, focus on the selected image, and now change the saturation to 0. Take a look, you must select the eyedropper of adjustment on yellow, and now change saturation, make a little bit brighter. Okay, guys, if you need to make yellow this part of the image, there you have the mask. Select again, no matter, close the properties, select the mask, go to select brush and select the white color. Take a look. Now you can see white. If you apply light color, it means you can bring again that yellow teeth. Let's select again the white color and apply adjustment effect on image. Alright, guys, this is the difference between adjustment of image and layer or layer window. Let's apply on this one. Hold Alt key, zooming, and take a look. Your image color mode must be RGB, and select the lasso, select this part of the image and right click, make fader 5 pixel, and select here, select the Hue saturation, eyedropper, here, and now close. So if you need to control again, there is the layer of the effect. Select, double click, control again, or close. And now you can see the difference of the adjustment layer and adjustment image. Okay guys, let's go to another tricks of the adjustment.